Today our topic receiver diversity. In receiver diversity, one transmitting antenna and many receiving antennas are used. So இப்போ இந்த டயக்ராமில் பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா டிரான்ஸ்மிட்டர் சைடில் ஒன்லி ஒன் ஆண்டனா அண்ட் ரிசீவர் சைடில் மெனி ஆண்டனாஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ அதனால் இதை ரிசீவர் டைவர்சிட்டின்னு சொல்கிறோம். இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம பார்த்த டாப்பிக்கில் டிரான்ஸ்மிட்டர் டைவர்சிட்டி. ஸோ அதனால் என்னென்னா டிரான்ஸ்மிட்டர் சைடில் மெனி ஆண்டனாஸும் ரிசீவர் சைடில் ஒன்லி ஒன் ஆண்டனாஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருப்போம். ஸோ இப்போ ரிசீவர் சைடில் மெனி ஆண்டனாஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கிறதுனால இது ரிசீவர் டைவர்சிட்டி. Here, the desired message is transmitted by using single transmitting antenna and received by multiple antennas. It is also called space diversity because several receiving antennas are spaced sufficiently far apart. That is, the spatial separation should be sufficiently large to reduce the correlation between diversity branches. For example, it is greater than 10 lambda. Receiver diversity has been widely used because it can be implemented simply and economically. Space diversity reception methods. It can be classified into 4 categories. First one, selection diversity. Next, feedback diversity, maximal ratio combining diversity, and equal gain combining diversity. First one, selection diversity or switching diversity. This diversity is more suitable for mobile radio applications because of its simple implementation. Here, the receiver monitors the SNR value of each diversity channel and chooses the one with the maximum SNR for signal detection. SNR means signal to noise ratio value. Its advantages, easy to implement, and it has a disadvantage of it is not an optimal diversity technique because it does not use all of the possible branches simultaneously. Feedback or scanning or threshold diversity. Scanning diversity is similar to selection diversity except instead of always using the best of n signals, here the n signals are scanned in a fixed sequence until one is found to be above a predetermined threshold. The signal above a predetermined threshold value is received until it falls below threshold, and then the scanning process is again initiated. Advantage of this diversity is it is very simple to implement because only one receiver is required. Maximal ratio combining diversity. In this method, the signals from all of the M branches are weighted according to their individual SNR value and then summed up. Here the individual signals must be co-phased before being summed. This method produces an output SNR value which is equal to the sum of the individual SNRs. Its advantage, it produces an output with an acceptable SNR. It gives the best statistical reduction of fading. And next method, equal gain combining diversity. It is similar to maximal ratio combining except that the weighting circuits are omitted here. The weighting circuits are omitted here. In this method, the branch weights are all set to unity, but the signals from each branch are co-phased and then summed. The performance improvement obtained by an EGC is slightly inferior to that of MRC. MRC means maximal ratio combining diversity, since Interference and noise corrupted signals may be combined with the high quality signals. And EGC is superior to selection diversity. Thank you.